Today we're going to talk about getting through the assessments in Chapter 1. At this point, hopefully you have a packet in front of you to revisit stuff that we talked about previous to now. You need to make sure that you do Project 1 and Project 2 in Chapter 1, and when you're done, save them as the correct names. One of the things that you may have ran into is the book asking you to print. Please remember that we do not print in here. Finally, when you get to Project 3, you can go ahead and skip over that because we don't need to do anything with the help feature. So as we flip to the back of the book, if everyone could turn to page 32 and notice that there are 14 questions. During certain units, we do answer those questions, but we will not be answering them today. If you can bump over to page 33, we're going to talk about the skills check. The skills check is the assessment for the chapter. The book will tell you what it's going to have you do, then it will walk you through the steps, and then we get to the end, which is the skills check, and it has you do it without giving you the steps. So currently on my sheet, I have assessment 1. I have done number 1, which says create the worksheet. Now I'm going to do number 2, which says select cells A1 through C5 and apply the table style medium 3. Now, when we take a look at the table style and we look at them, some of them they are not obvious. If you can't find the correct table style you're looking for, at least pick one. And the main reason for that is to make sure that I can learn that you actually know where to find the table styles. Then, just as we talked before, please make sure you save it as the correct thing, also in your H drive. So we scroll down, we get to our H drive, go to our Microsoft Office folder, Excel, and then instead of naming it Book 2, we're going to name it Excel A1. So it's for Assessment 1. So Excel Lesson 1, Chapter 1, Assessment 1. So we save that. And then we will start a new worksheet for the next assessment. Notice as you look through the assessments that there are 4 assessments, and the 5th one is a help feature, so we do not need to do that. On the 4th assessment, it asks you to open the templated file. So we will revert back to that. Remember, we go through, we are going to browse, we have to go to the share file. So we can do that this way, or on your guys' computers, we'll start by pushing this PC. Go to share, secure share, type the letter E, Microsoft Office, Excel, and then what we look in Chapter 1, because that's a chapter in, and there is the templated one that we need to get started with. So it gives you the information. There's not necessary to do the case study at the back. When you finish with this, please move on to Chapter 2.